Before we get started, do me a favor and smash that like button. I'd appreciate it. Okay, I've had a lot of questions from people as far as how to set up MetaMask and add the Theta network to it, and I haven't had a chance to do a video on that, and I'm not sure when I'll get around to it, but I'll pin a comment at the top with a link to the Theta documentation on MetaMask as shown here. So just follow this link. You'll have everything you need to be able to do it. Well, that's a wrap for this presentation, so cue the music. If you enjoyed the video, then hit that thumbs up for me, and I'll see you in the next video.